American drones. Drone.
Numerous drones.
Numerous drones.
A U.S. drone.
U.S. drone.
American drone.
Or drone.
As the sun dipped below the horizon in October 2018, a mysterious and imposing gray vessel, sinister in its spider-like appearance, began its secretive journey from the shores of California to the remote reaches of Hawaii. This enigmatic ship, known only as the Sea Hunter, was no ordinary unmanned aerial vehicle. It possessed the extraordinary capability of operating entirely without human oversight. Developed over an entire decade by the U.S. Navy, this pioneering vessel could traverse the world's ocean for months on end without a single crew member on board. Recognizing its boundless potential, the Navy had no choice but to incorporate the Sea Hunter into its long-term strategic plans. But what could drive a nation to create such a vessel? And how would this new technology reshape the future of naval warfare? The Sea Hunter, as it turns out, was not born in a crucible of war, but in the minds of visionaries seeking to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with the vast, uncharted expanses of our planet's oceans. In early 2016, under a veil of secrecy, the U.S. Navy proudly unveiled and christened its most recent experimental warship, the Sea Hunter. This remarkable ship boasted the unprecedented capability of operating autonomously for extended periods of time, a feat never before achieved by any military force. The Anti-Submarine Continuous Trail Unmanned Vessel Program, ACTUV, which had been spearheaded by the Navy's Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, since 2010, was responsible for the development of this cutting-edge technology. Years of painstaking research, design, and engineering culminated in the creation of a vessel that would forever change the landscape of naval operations. But how could such a small team of researchers and engineers develop a technology so advanced that it could threaten to redefine the very concept of naval warfare? As the Sea Hunter embarked on its clandestine voyage, rival nations scrambled to catch up, wasting no time in constructing their own versions of this revolutionary ship. With each passing day, the race for naval supremacy grew more intense, and the stakes grew higher, as nations vied for the ultimate prize, mastery over the oceans. As the clock ticked, the world held its breath, waiting for the day when the full potential of these autonomous warships would be unleashed, heralding a new era of conflict and forever altering the course of human history. In the depths of the ocean, a new breed of predator is emerging, born from the marriage of cutting-edge technology and the relentless pursuit of stealth. The Anti-Submarine Warfare Continuous Trail Unmanned Vessel Project, a sinister yet ingenious innovation, is rewriting the rules of naval engagement by creating an unmanned vessel capable of effectively and relentlessly trailing the elusive silent diesel-electric submarines. The ACTUV project delves into the abyss of three primary domains: the exploration of a dark, new paradigm in naval architecture, where the absence of human users on board allows for the reimagining of ship design. By casting aside the constraints of traditional ship layout, accessibility, crew support systems, and reserve buoyancy, the ACTUV program strives to create a vessel that surpasses the capabilities of today's most advanced platforms and remains compact, affordable, and deadly. The objective: to engineer a ship that exerts a propulsive overmatch against its stealthy diesel-electric submarine adversaries. The development of a sinister level of self-sufficiency, enabling maritime unmanned systems to embark on perilous missions that span thousands of kilometers and last for months, all while being governed by a rudimentary remote supervisory control model. This requires unprecedented autonomy, ensuring compliance with all applicable laws and conventions, maintaining operational reliability through autonomous system management, and engaging in a deadly game of cat and mouse with an intelligent adversary beneath the waves. The relentless pursuit of ACTUV systems' unique characteristics and state-of-the-art sensor technologies to maintain a constant, unyielding vigil over even the most elusive submarine targets across their entire operating range. The goal: to prove that no submarine can escape the ever-watchful eye of the ACTUV, regardless of its stealth capabilities. While the primary objective of the ACTUV program is to demonstrate unparalleled ASW tracking capabilities, the underlying platform and autonomy technologies developed within its shadowy confines holds the potential for much more sinister applications. These technologies can be adapted to support a wide variety of missions and configurations for future unmanned underwater vehicles, heralding a new era of unseen, undetected, and unstoppable maritime warfare. The world's oceans will never be the same again. Crafted by the skilled hands of the engineers at the firm Lotos, the Sea Hunter is 132 feet long, diesel-powered, carbon composite trimaran. Its slender hull, accompanied by two outriggers, gives it a distinctive and menacing spider-like appearance. This innovative vessel serves as a prototype for a new generation of U.S. Navy warships that rely on artificial intelligence rather than human crews or even remote control to operate. This transformative technology is undoubtedly going to revolutionize naval warfare, heralding a darker era of conflict on the high seas. The Sea Hunter comes equipped with advanced navigation and piloting sensors, enabling it to detect and monitor diesel submarines lurking in the depths for up to a month at a time. As a testament to its technological prowess, an automatic identification system is also installed on board, and that allows it to accurately track the position of other ships in the vicinity, friend or foe. According to Scott Littlefield, the program manager for Active, the goal for the unarmed Sea Hunter is to operate with a high degree of autonomy. By allowing it to perform tasks like obstacle avoidance without necessitating human intervention, the Sea Hunter becomes a groundbreaking development in naval warfare, potentially changing the balance of power on the world stage. As the Sea Hunter's capabilities are further refined, it'll become an increasingly valuable asset to the U.S. Navy. The ability to operate independently for extended periods of time, coupled with its advanced submarine detection and monitoring capabilities, position the Sea Hunter as a force multiplier in maritime operations. As global tensions continue to rise, the Sea Hunter's unique capabilities will play a crucial role in maintaining a strategic advantage for the United States. However, the development of this revolutionary technology has not gone unnoticed by rival nations. The race is on to produce similar vessels capable of rivaling the Sea Hunter's extraordinary capabilities, fueling a dark and suspenseful competition for naval dominance. As a result, the U.S. Navy must continue to invest in research and development to ensure that it remains at the forefront of this rapidly evolving and increasingly shadowy field. A new era of naval warfare is emerging. The Anti-Submarine Continuous Trail Unmanned Vessel program has introduced technology designed to make diesel-electric submarines, which are stealthier and more cost-effective than their nuclear-powered counterparts, easier to detect and engage. This groundbreaking innovation aims to mitigate the threats posed by large fleets of enemy ships that prowl beneath the waves. When fully operational, Active will maintain constant satellite connections for communication with other ships and aircraft, ensuring seamless collaboration in the face of impending danger. Active's primary mission is to track and deter submarines, preventing aggressive behavior and even forcing them to return to base, regardless of their immediate threat level. Although these vessels will not be armed, their keen eyes and ears will alert the Navy to the presence of enemy submarines, allowing for the deployment of more powerful weaponry. Their advanced computers tirelessly analyze data, identifying other ships and predicting their next moves. Active's anti-submarine tactics, offered at a fraction of the cost of a standard diesel-powered staff submarine, are poised to revolutionize naval warfare. This new generation of unmanned ships has evolved into a flexible platform, thanks to their modular design. Military strategists envision various roles for these vessels, including intelligence gathering, reconnaissance, and surveillance. As tensions rise in the South China Sea and beyond, the need for such versatility is now more critical than ever. 2 decades ago, the United States aircraft carriers were the undisputed masters of the seas. However, China's heavy investment in cutting-edge submarine technology now allows its Navy to challenge American naval power, particularly in South China Sea. To maintain U.S. naval superiority against potential adversaries like China and Russia, the Pentagon has implemented the Active program as part of its so-called third offset strategy. This plan, combined with the current technological and financial focus of the U.S. military on developing unmanned vehicles and drones, informs the design of this menacing prototype. The uncrewed Sea Hunter operates at a daily cost of $20,000, a mere fraction of the staggering $700,000 average cost for a guided missile destroyer outfitted with anti-submarine warfare. This stark contrast in expenses allows the U.S. Navy to consider replacing a small number of expensive yet efficient assets with a large fleet of unmanned platforms, capable of achieving the same objectives at a much lower cost. Fred Kennedy, head of DARPA's Tactical Technology Office, has declared that the program's launch date has finally arrived. The U.S. military's ultimate goal is to establish a veritable army of pawns on the maritime chessboard. and the Sea Hunter is the first ominous step towards this objective. In the twilight of April 2016, a sense of anticipation filled the air, as the U.S. Navy's Office of Naval Research and the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency embarked on an ambitious new endeavor. The new open water testing phase of the Sea Hunter project had begun, marking the initiation of an intense trial period for this enigmatic vessel. The Sea Hunter, a ship veiled in an aura of secrecy and intrigue, was pushed to its absolute limits. Tasked with completing a multi-waypoint mission without any human input on course or speed changes, it faced a true test of its capabilities. Could this mysterious machine endure the challenges of the open sea? Was it capable of revolutionizing the world of naval warfare? Throughout these demanding tests, the Sea Hunter's performance in various categories, including speed, maneuverability, stability, seakeeping, acceleration, deceleration, fuel consumption, and dependability of mechanical systems, was nothing short of remarkable. It met or surpassed all expectations, a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of its creators. To ensure the vessel's proficiency and uncover any potential weaknesses, L3 Harris meticulously analyzed the raw sensor data, leaving no stone unturned for their pursuit of perfection. As the year progressed and the vibrant colors of autumn painted the landscape, DARPA and ONR oversaw 2 years at-sea operational tests, rigorously assessing the Sea Hunter's features such as its sensors and autonomy suite. The ship's modularity and adaptability were also examined during these trials, pushing the vessel to adjust to ever-evolving conditions and challenges. Between February and September of 2017, the Sea Hunter faced a series of progressively demanding tests. Utilizing the installed suites and features in operationally realistic scenarios that adhere to international regulations for collision prevention at sea, the Sea Hunter continued to defy expectations and prove its mettle. Would this vessel maintain its impressive performance in the face of adversity? What unforeseen challenges lay ahead in the vast expanse of the ocean? In the mysterious depths of the ocean, the Sea Hunter's every move was tracked and analyzed, its capabilities tested to the extreme. As the vessel sliced through the relentless waves, it demonstrated an uncanny ability to overcome obstacles and navigate treacherous waters, proving that it was indeed a formidable force to be reckoned with. The world watched in awe, and a chilling realization settled in. The Sea Hunter wasn't just an experiment. It was the harbinger of a new era of warfare, a stark omen on the winds of change that would soon sweep across the oceans, forever altering the course of human history. In the ominous early months of 2018, DARPA handed off the Sea Hunter prototype for the anti-submarine warfare continuous trail unmanned vessel to the ONR. Later that year, the Sea Hunter prototype made history as the first unmanned vessel to circumnavigate the Pacific Ocean. The chilling news was finally shared with the world by L3 Harris in a press release dated January 23rd of 2019. According to the document, the electrical and propulsion systems on the Sea Hunter were routinely checked by members of the escort ship's crew, without any involvement from L3 Harris or the Navy. The L3 Harris Defense Group president, Jerry Posano, claims that the United States is at the forefront of developing fully autonomous naval vessels like the Sea Hunter. As stated by Posano, the recent long-range mission is the first of its kind, and it demonstrates to the U.S. Navy that autonomy technology is ready to move on from the developmental and experimental stages to advanced mission testing. Since then, the ONR has continued refining the revolutionary vessel, which is anticipated to become the first in a new class of unmanned vessels capable of traversing thousands of miles without human interaction. The project has been ominously renamed Medium Displacement Unmanned Surface Vehicle. Video footage captured in China in 2020 suggests that the nation is constructing a fleet of active vessels with strikingly similar specifications, fueling speculation that the transfer of the Sea Hunter from DARPA to ONR marked a pivotal moment in the development of the Navy's large-scale USV technology and autonomy capabilities. Thank you so much for taking the time to delve into the dark world of our video. We would appreciate a thumbs up and encourage you to share your thoughts in the comment section below.